If you're looking for a quick and easy gift to whip up in 30 minutes, here's one for you. You're going to need a 6mm crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn. You're going to want to make 2 granny squares for this project, but I already have a tutorial on my channel for that, so I did not show you how to do it in this video, but if you want to check that video out, you can go over to my channel, or I'll leave it in the cards above. Now you're going to take both your granny squares, one is for the top and one is for the bottom of your hand, and the side against your thumb, so the side that doesn't have your thumb on it, you are going to sew that side completely shut. Other side of your project, you're going to sew it up, but you're going to leave a space for your thumb. Now you have a small space for your thumb to go into the fingerless glove, but it isn't quite big enough on the bottom near the cuff. So we're going to take our crochet hook and work in the round and make 4 rounds of single crochet all the way around the cuff, just to make it fit your hand a bit better. At the end of each round, you are going to slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1, and begin your next round. And now our fingerless glove is done. If you don't know how to do granny square, I will leave that tutorial in the cards above, and I will see you next time.